Welcome to Channel Auto Road Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most detailed insights into the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hero Xtreme 210R, a bike that's turning heads with its bold design, impressive performance, and value-packed pricing. Let's start with its exterior. The Xtreme 210R boasts a striking, aggressive stance, complete with sharp lines and aerodynamic curves. The LED headlamp setup is a showstopper, offering both style and functionality, while the integrated DRLs enhance visibility on the road. The sporty dual-tone paint options give the bike a premium feel, and the sleek graphics add to its dynamic look. The muscular tank design not only looks great but also ensures excellent neck grip for enhanced control. The split seat setup, along with a neatly sculpted tail section and LED tail lights, completes the sporty aesthetic. Moving on to performance, the 210cc liquid-cooled engine is the heart of this machine. Delivering around 25 horsepower, it strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth and precise shifts, making it a joy to ride both in city traffic and on the highways. Acceleration is crisp, and the mid-range torque feels robust, allowing for quick overtakes and spirited riding. The bike features a refined suspension setup, with telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, providing a comfortable yet responsive ride. The dual-channel ABS-equipped disc brakes inspire confidence, delivering solid stopping power in all conditions. The Hero Xtreme 210R also shines in terms of technology. With a fully digital instrument cluster that includes Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride stats, it ensures you're always in control and informed. Now, let's talk pricing. Hero has positioned the Xtreme 210R competitively in the market, with an ex-showroom price of around a superscript 11.6 to a superscript 11.7 lakh. This makes it a strong contender in the 200-250cc segment, offering great value for money with its blend of performance, features, and styling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Channel Auto Road Reviews for more content like this. See you in the next one.